Hello and welcome back to Bullet Cubing, and today we are going to be solving the blue face on the Pyraminx. First, you want to pair up the 3 blue centers on one face, and then you can do the corners. What I mean by that is you can pair up the 3 centers, so those are called centers, those are edges, and those are corners. So you can pair up the 3 centers together on one face. So that face is going to be this one. So you have to maneuver around the cube to get all of the 3 pieces on one face, and that is going to be always possible. And then you can solve the corners, easy like that. And then you're left with the edges. For the edges, you want to line it up with the side corners and the centers. So for this one, this is a blue and green edge, so I want to align this with a green face, like this. And then, if the color that had been matched, which is green, is on the left side, then do this algorithm, R, U prime, R prime. So R, U prime, R prime. So it had been inserted. And then now, same thing, pair it up. And then this one is also on the left side, so R, U prime, R prime. So what if it's on the right side, like this? So this is on the right side. So if it's on the right side, then do this algorithm, L prime, U, L. And then you have the blue face solved. And then in the next part of the video, I will teach you how to solve the rest of the cube. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!